So today I'm going to make a Halloween garland, you know, for the little ones with all this felt. But before that, let's welcome Anne Boleyn to the sewing room. At some point in life, I'll figure out how to fix Marie Antoinette because it has some plastic bits broken. But let's put everything on this one. And here she is, birthday present, 40. I'm turning 40. I have some black ribbon to make the garland with and to hang all the different motifs, and I have different colors. I'm going to be using felt. It's quite good because it's really cheap and you can accumulate different colors with time. So I have ghost white, orange pumpkin, black for the bats and the witch hat, and then I have Frankenstein green, so really good. I'm not going to make it too long because it's felt, it's going to be heavier, and because it's 5 motifs, I'm going to make double. So it's going to be 10 and then an extra one that's going to repeat with the first one. So it sort of closes the garland. And of course they have to be double so we can fill it in a little bit, and that's it. I still think that sewing is amazing. I know I repeat myself, but if you want to decorate for a special festivity and you don't want to spend a lot of money while doing it, if you can sew, you can do so. So it's just amazing how many things we can do and make the most of stuff we have around the house. I love it. I know some people don't like Halloween, especially here, because it's relatively new, but I think it's great. I think you can get in the mood of just doing something for the kids and giving your house something special. Now with all my motifs cut, I'm going to thread the machine in black. I'm going to do everything in black, and then I can start by sewing the little mouths and eyes and things like that, so I can then sew it together. I started by sewing the face details to the ghost and pumpkins, and then I went ahead and continued with some zigzag stitch details to other ones. Like for example the Frankenstein one, which has the scars that you can do by doing a zigzag stitch really close and narrow, and that way you end up with a lovely detail. And now all of this I'm not going to sew right sides together to put it right sides out or anything like that. I'm going to sew it around the corner, around the edges, and then I'm going to leave a little bit open so I can fill it in a little bit. And I'm going to insert the ribbon as well at the same time. So I'm going to sew, making sure I have the ribbon sewn and leaving the little bit I need to fill in. And the ribbon, and of course the little bits I have to sew, like the pumpkin thing and the screws for Frankenstein. And all of this of course with pins, or you can do it as you sew, it doesn't matter. Let's get rid of threads before we fill it in. Good thing about felt and this feeling is that it's just pieces of foam, so it stacks everywhere, so it doesn't move. You have time to fill it in and then go to the machine, no problem at all. I think these projects, they make you do a lot. I mean, you are sewing for quite a while, but they're really rewarding. It's something you're going to enjoy, and they're really nice, really entertaining. If you have a free afternoon, it's really nice. Or if your children are starting to sew, it's ideal for them to learn with something they're going to enjoy. So let me know if you do something similar. And of course you can finish it different ways. You can do the what's the name of it? The blanket stitch all around the edges. You can do different things. The same project done by two different people is going to look different because they have your personality as well. And this is my project for today. I can still see threads around. So let me know down in the comments what you thought, if you like this kind of idea. And if you do, tell me if you're going to make something similar. It's ideal if you like sewing by hand and watching something while you do it. It's perfect. And don't forget to subscribe if you like this kind of projects, because I upload twice a week, and that way you don't miss anything. And I leave you a link here to all the Halloween projects I've made in case you want to have a look, because they are good ideas to share with people you love. Still, look, still threads. Next year, when I take it out of the box, there'll still be threads, won't it? Yeah. And I'll see you around. Bye.